If you've been looking at Flixy TV Smart, you've probably seen some big promises. Affordable streaming, easy setup, lots of entertainment. But is Flixy TV Smart actually legit? Or is it just another product with clever marketing? Here's the latest update. First, let's talk about what Flixy TV Smart claims to offer. It's designed to turn your TV into a smart entertainment hub, giving you access to streaming apps and online content. For people with older televisions, that sounds like a simple and affordable upgrade. The setup process is also advertised as being beginner-friendly. In most cases, you simply connect the device to your TV, follow the on-screen instructions, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. That's good news if you don't want to spend hours figuring everything out. Now, what about the actual performance? This is where opinions become mixed. Some users say the device works well for basic streaming. They like the simple interface and enjoy watching their favorite content without spending a lot of money. However, others report occasional lag, slower app loading times, or performance that depends heavily on the quality of their internet connection. Like many budget streaming devices, your experience may vary depending on your home network and what apps you're using. Another thing worth mentioning is expectations. Some advertisements can make products like this sound almost too good to be true. That's why it's important to focus on what the device realistically offers, instead of expecting premium performance at a budget price. So, is Flixy TV Smart a scam? Based on the available information, there's no strong evidence suggesting it's an outright scam. People do receive the product, and many are able to use it as intended. However, that doesn't automatically mean it's the best value or the right choice for everyone. Before buying, it's always smart to read recent customer reviews, check the seller's return policy, and compare it with well-known streaming devices in a similar price range. Sometimes paying a little more can provide a smoother and more reliable experience.